I am super excited to share a gifted collaboration that I am doing with PriPey. And I'm going to open it with you so you can see how it comes. Love the attention to details. I think it's nice when businesses take that extra step to really highlight their product in a nice way. I can tell that they've packaged this with care. It's got a lot of protection and cushioning. There's nothing worse than when you get something in the mail that you're waiting for and it comes broken. But this is padded really well so that it's not likely to break on the way to you. And check out these gorgeous donut vases. Is this not the funnest thing? I love them. They have like a cream matte type texture with little speckling on them. So beautiful. This is going to be so gorgeous in my home. And this set comes with two. How fun. A little one and a bigger one. I absolutely love these. You can tell that these are very high quality, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous vases. And I am so excited to put these in my decor of my home. They will make such a great addition, and I am very happy with the quality and the packaging to ensure that they arrive safely to me. Very, very well done. So excited to use these. These are made of ceramic material. They would make an awesome gift and go perfect in a number of different places. Your bathroom, your bedroom, your living room, and your kitchen. Definitely recommend these. These are so pretty.